everybody. It is about 6:30. I just woke up. We are about to head to the farmer's market. Cam and I are going to Lightfoot this morning, and so we loaded the van last night, thank goodness. So all we have to do is get ready and then hop in the van and head there. And so I hope to film today and show y'all what it's like to sell at a farmer's market. So let's get started. We are in the van, all loaded up, and headed to the farmer's market. What is your favorite thing about going to the farmer's market?
My favorite thing is being able to spend the day with you and sell product to return customers and meet new customers, and just being able to meet new people. It's really fun.
I think one of my favorite things is, meeting all of you, getting to hear what you think if you've already tried our products, and also meeting people who've never tried goat milk soap before and getting to tell y'all all about it, and also getting to just see all of the other cool vendors that are there. We love like walking around and buying from the other vendors and seeing what everybody has to offer. So maybe we can show y'all some of the cool stuff that's there and just bring you along on a day at the farmer's market. Okay, so this morning we have a little bit of a challenge because the pasture out here is muddy. We weren't able to park where we usually set up our tent, and so we're gonna have to take all of our stuff and toss it over the fence, and we'll see how this goes. We've never done this before, so this might take a while. So yeah, we have to get all the stuff out, and I think our spot is it's either that spot or that spot. I'll have to go see, but that's where we'll be, and we've got to get all of our stuff out of here and over the fence. That was hard work. It is hot and we are both dripping sweat, but that's okay because the breeze is blowing and it feels good now, and our customers will be arriving in about 30 minutes. Their horses and their cows escaped. They're trying to wrangle them back in.
Hey, is there a horse down there? He's probably the culprit.
That just happens sometimes. Your animals will get loose. We're thinking that we need to come up with a Faith Farms wrap so that we can sell some things just like that. So the guy across from us, he does woodworking, and he makes these benches that turn into a picnic table. Super cool. He also sells honey. Got clothes right there. Maybe I can walk around later and show y'all some stuff. Gotta get fuel. Been out here 3 hours, had to grab some coffee. 3 more hours to go. 2 more hours left, and in a second I will walk around and show y'all some of the vendors, and also inside the store we have products, so I can show y'all in there also. This market is once a month, and there are just so many vendors. There we are right there. We have clothes, leather handmade goods right here, some clay earrings. Over there we have canned goods, bakery. We've tried their stuff, it's really good. They have food trucks. They do meat processing here, and they do this big farmers market once a month, so all kinds of people come out from all over to participate, and there's a huge crowd that comes too. So we love meeting all of you here, and it's a hot one today. As you can see, I am sweating a lot. Got a popsicle. It's called orange vanilla. Okay guys, that's a wrap. We're all packing up now. Thankfully, Cameron and I are already packed up and we can head out. Okay y'all, we are a hot, sweaty mess. I didn't even film us packing up because it's just so hot. But we had a good day, and one market down. It was a good market day. Got to meet a lot of new people, and we hope y'all enjoy watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to watch more of our content, just like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. We are headed back home now to get showers, cool off, and rest and relax. That was a long